principle. I have been connected to Russia for years, I can say, because my great-grandfather was a Russian soldier in World War I and a prisoner of war in Germany. Well, a year ago we moved from Germany here, because I no longer like the politics and economy there at all. I remember very well the moment when it became clear that we had found a village and its people. Rural life in Russia, it had never seen this before. People, yes, in the village too, with their stories, some proverbs, jokes. At first, it was like mental hygiene for me, I can say. Yes. I wanted to write this down on paper, because for me it was simply a miracle. I wanted to help a little so that there would be a new church there.